In the laundry room, the washer is on the right. You open the door here, you put your clothes and you close it. Here you put your detergent. You turn it on right here. I'm sorry, the machine is written in French. If you're not familiar with French, I would recommend to just put the program mix. And then here you can choose your temperature. It's in Celsius, so you can increase or decrease right here. I would recommend to put 40 Celsius. Here, this is the spinning. I would recommend maximum spinning, but if your clothes are really delicate, you can put less by pushing here. Okay. And when you are ready to start the machine, you press here. If you want the machine to have a delay, you can push here, and the machine will finish in 2 hours. You can increase more. Okay.